Hey everyone, this is a quick video to help you change out your rear struts on a 2001 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This is pretty much everything you need. So I'm going to make a very quick video. I'm hoping to make it about 2 minutes. So everything you see here, it's a 22 millimeter socket. This is helpful. Other videos will tell you to have 2 sockets, but most people don't have that. Liquid wrench, a hammer, leverage, maybe some gloves. A flashlight will help. Jack. And basically just get in there. It's pretty self-explanatory. Bring your patience. Support the jack underneath the rear linkage, or the rear drive shaft, rather. And just have some patience and then go for it. I'll get a couple of shots in real quick on where the bolts are, but there's an upper and a lower, and that's it. You take those apart slowly. They will be tight. Replace the strut, torque them back. I believe it's 70 foot-pounds, but I don't have a torque wrench on me today. So my particular truck is quite rusted, so everything I do, I just do it gently. Good luck. Just as Mr. Chris Fix-It says, out with the old. Look at that junk, right? Woo! No gas, nothing left to it, or air, I believe they're, well, no, I think they're gas shocks. And in with the new. Look at that. I'll be comparing them up side by side, making sure they're good, and the installation will proceed. 2001 GMC 2500 HD. Okay, proceeding with this video is a minor issue. If you notice, penetrating oil, and then brushed it to get a good connection with the socket. This is pretty concerning. Up, where am I? Up over here. Okay, I guess, that connects the frame, which holds up the gas tank, if you could see that. So if you have a situation like this where, like I said, the truck is extra rusty, just proceed with caution. You might even want to get a professional opinion, but this is quite rusted. The other side was deteriorated as well, but not this shaft. This bracket up here that's welded to the shaft was deteriorated on the other side. So I'm just really curious to see how my ride quality improves, but I don't think without some restorative work on this truck, it's really going to be useful for much longer. Maybe another winter or two with plowing, who knows. But I think that begins to become a safety issue, honestly, with that gas tank, support. I think I have to have it looked at. So in any event, it'll go up on a lift soon, but all you're going to do is loosen this one side, hold the on the other bolt there on my right where my finger is, put the locking pliers, and then loosen the bottom, and then it's just a rip and replace. So, and then torque down the bolts. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little tighter on the passenger side to get under here, but just use your head. Go at it smart. And I think I sprayed this one a bit as well. And that's it. Have fun. Enjoy. Be safe. Safety first.